Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today we're going to talk about changing the engine air filter on a 2016 Lexus ES. This may be similar to other Lexus ESs as well, and the process is very simple to do. And you probably could do this in less than 3 minutes. I'm making this video slowly. Please remember to subscribe, hit the bell icon if you want to be notified new videos, and I really appreciate that thumbs up. Thank you very much in advance. Okay, so we're gonna change the engine air filter. The engine air filter is in the front of the vehicle next to the engine, of course, and behind the battery. You can see the positive sign for the battery. And this is a very simple thing to do. It shouldn't take you more than 2 minutes to do, but I'm gonna slow down the video so it makes it easier. You need to unlatch this and unlatch this one. Over here, those two releases the housing, and you can slide out the filter and just change it. So notice that in the back right here, I just want to emphasize the fact there's two tabs in the back over there where the enclosure touches, and be careful with those. You don't want to break those. So just keep that in mind when you're doing this thing. Overall, just moving this down like this and moving this latch down as well will help you unlatch the housing. So what I did, just push like that. So then you can lift the cover out. Got my assistant holding my camera now. So you can just pull it out like that. So that's how simple it is to change the engine air filter. And for engine air filters, I really recommend you buy the OEM one. In this case, Lexus is really Toyota. So you want to change that out. I do want to mention one other thing that might be worthwhile. I'm going to go back and do this. Is actually use a small vacuum, not too powerful, remove all the debris over there. Okay, once you got all that cleaned out, for example, then you want to put in the new filter. In this case, I'm using the old one because the old one isn't that dirty. Don't want to waste it. So just make sure snuggle all the way down, snuggle fit as well. Then you want to insert these through these holes over here. Just be really careful in doing these things. You don't want to damage anything. There's one also, let's see, on the here as well too. So you need to insert that one. So make sure the enclosure would align correctly. If you don't do that, you're gonna have an opening in the air filter, and it's hard to latch. So make sure this one's snuggle as well too. Just slide it in like that. Once you slide in and position correctly, like you see over here, then you can put the latches back on. The latches are very easy. You probably do 1 finger or 2 fingers. It's up to you. I'm going to show you how to do it on this one. There it is. It will click, and you do the other one as well. So the other one's on the inside. Make sure you do both as well. Always check if it's latched or not. Okay. That one's good now. I'm just going to show this one again so it's easier to see. Just latch it like that. Make sure it's tight. And that's it. That's all it is to it. Hopefully this video helps you out, saves you some money, and also saves you some time as well. So knowledge is power. I really appreciate that thumbs up. And I see you next time. Bye.